Mustang fans, let's take a look at this one. 2011 Roush Stage 2 triple black convertible. Wow, what a nice looking car. Cool thing about this car, one of 20 Stage 2 convertibles with an automatic. So this is a pretty rare bird. Out of all the Roush Stage 2s that were produced, they actually put a bumper number on this one, previous owner. It's 265 of 297 made. So out of all the Stage 2s, coupes, convertibles, automatics, manuals, there's only 297 made. This is number 265. One of 20 with the automatic in it and a convertible. As you can see, triple black, just great looking car. This is powered by the 5-liter V8 Coyote engine underneath the hood. What Roush did, they have a chassis engineering team, and they created an optimum blend of the comfort and handling in this car. So a fun car to drive, can drive it aggressive, but yet has a nice ride, nice cruise to it. Best of both worlds. They also have an appearance package. The appearance package is going to change the looks of this car dramatically from a GT with that lower splitter. The whole front fascia is different, obviously, from the grille to the bumper. Everything. They have side splitters. They have a three-piece wing in the back. They also have a rear fascia. So a lot of cosmetic changes, appearance package changes done to this too. This also has the upgraded wheel, which is a 20-inch cast chrome wheel. That is a Roush wheel. That would be an upgrade from the 18-inch wheels this would have came with. Standard in the Stage 2. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, want to check out the undersides, the engine bay, the interior, please feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this. A few little small rock chips on the hood. When I swing around there and pop the hood open, show you the engine, I'll kind of point those out. Down the sides, you can see that paint's got a nice luster to it. Good reflection coming off the wall and our sign. Not full of nicks, chips, door dings, anything like that up and down the sides. The wheels are only, tires are only a couple years old, so rubber is good on those. This car only has about 55,000 miles, a little bit over that. So very nice shape, a lot of miles left on this car, a lot of fun to be had with it yet. Now we do consider trades, maybe get another Mustang, Corvette, Camaro, what have you. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you to where you're located at and getting this car shipped to you. Not a problem, we can help you out with the transportation. Let's go ahead and check out the driver's side of this. Again, you can see not full of nicks, door dings, scratches. You see the reflection luster in that paint. Chrome wheels look great, got some caliper covers on down there, set it off in red. Black top, very nice shape. Take a look at the seats here also, suede inserts. Jack Roush's signature in the backrest. Some Roush badging on the dash. We're going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear two great sounding engines, nice performance. Over 400 horse in these cars. Let's go ahead and start this one up here. There's the miles, 55,819. As you can see, no warning indicator lights, anything like that on in there. Let's check this dash out. Shaker stereo system. There's your automatic transmission shifter. Some 5-liter badging, Roush badging up here. Dash is not cracked, in nice shape. Steering wheel controls. It's nicely equipped cars. Better yet, let's slip around to the back so hear the rumble out of this Coyote 5-liter. Roush exhaust in there, great sounding car. Listen to that deep throaty rumble. This car's definitely turned heads, sound good, look good doing it. I'm going to slip around to the front here before I pop the hood. Show you a couple of those little touch-ups. If I can get them to show up, you can see there's one. They actually look worse in the video than they do in person. Here's a little one here. Not bad at all for black though, and you can tell someone's cared about this car, taken care of it, had the time to get a little touch-up paint, fix those, make them right before it gets too worse or too bad. One other little touch-up there in the center. I'm going to go ahead and pop that hood. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay. All right, look at how clean it is underneath there. There's that 5-liter Coyote. Roush cold air intake. Strut tower brace. Nice and smooth running. Well, what do you expect? We got a little over 50,000 on it. Great performing engine. So there you have it, 2011 Roush Stage 2 triple black convertible with an automatic. So once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. The number we need reached at is 507-386-1726. Financing is available on these. We can assist with transportation to where you're located at. There will also be a shortcut for a link to the still pictures in the description below. Look forward to hearing from you.